everyone, welcome to Under Visits. Here are 5 examples of some of the wildest, most outlandish crime dramas in history that were based or partially inspired by real events. The Godfather. A masterpiece of mobster cinema, The Godfather won critically acclaim upon release and helped cement the status of its director, Francis Ford Coppola. While the film and the book that inspired it revolved around a fictional New York mafia family, its real-life inspiration is easy to spot. Mario Puzo, the writer of the novel on the same name, took inspiration from New York's Five Families, a collection of 5 organized crime syndicates who joined forces in the years prior to World War II. The crimes and exploits of the 5 families during the height of their power laid the groundwork for Puzo's classic and many other pieces of mob-inspired media. The Strangers. The Strangers is about a group of masked friends who break into a suburban home and torment the family that lives there. Audiences were horrified when coming attractions claimed it was based on true events, and some amateur slides attempted to dig up the real-life inspiration. Director Brian Bertino later clarified that the movie was partially inspired by the Manson family murders, but it wasn't the only crime that Bertino thought of when writing the screenplay. Bertino stated that movie was also inspired by a string of break-ins in his hometown during his childhood. Thankfully, nothing on the same level of what was depicted in the movie occurred, but it nonetheless shook him enough to create one of the scariest films of the 1990s.
There's someone out there.
Joker. Since its creation nearly 80 years ago, the Joker has become a metaphor for any and all of society's ills. 2019's Joker introduced viewers to a more grounded and realistic incarnation of the popular villain, and one trait in particular was inspired by one of the illest men in American history. Arthur Fleck's makeup was inspired by the design worn by Pogo, the clone alter ego of serial killer John Wayne Gacy. Between 1972 and 78, Gacy murdered 33 young men and boys. Like Fleck, Kay's makeup for Pogo used an unconventional diamond shape around the eyes, which is rarely used today as it is believed to scare children.
You don't listen, do you?
The Departed. This Martin Scorsese drama about an undercover cop in the Irish mob may have been a remake of a Hong Kong movie named Internal Affairs. However, in transitioning the movie's plot to an American setting, Scorsese used a real-life crime boss as the basis of the movie's main antagonist. Jack Nicholson's character in the movie is heavily inspired by the late James White T. Bulger, a prominent figure in the Irish mob, who worked as an informant for the FBI during the 70s and 80s. The Silence of the Lamb. Murderer and grave robber Ed Gein was one of the 20th century's most notorious criminals. While he was only found guilty of killing 2 people, his penchant for digging up graves and using human remains as decorations helped inspire some of the greatest works of cinematic horror. Psycho and the Texas Chainsaw Massacre are perhaps the most obvious examples. Just like Gein, Buffalo Bill, the primary antagonist of The Silence of the Lambs, is a psychotic killer who uses his victim's skin to create a woman's suit. Gein also made clothing from human flesh and even used the remains to make furniture and other household items.
Who's the subject?
Is he hunting that new one, Buffalo Bill?